Hi, and welcome to AP Computer Science A. I'm your teacher, Miss Boylan. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to give you a quick overview of how our course works to help you feel comfortable in our online environment. Our course is unique in that we have 3 different learning environments where you will complete coursework. Those learning environments are Schoology, CodeHS, and AP Classroom. At first, it may feel a bit overwhelming to figure out the tasks to be completed and the learning environment where tasks are located, but not to worry, I'm going to share a few tips that will help you get accustomed to how things work in our course. First tip, every time you access the course, be sure to read the course announcement posted. Announcements are posted at the beginning of the week to provide a roadmap of the activities we're working through and to provide any pertinent course information. I will also replicate important course information via our group Google Chat and via email. Please note, if you've been out for a couple of days and you worry that maybe you've missed an announcement, just click the updates link to the left to see all of the announcements previously posted. So then the second tip is the assignment schedule. Okay, and all assignment schedules are found here in the assignment schedule folder. So an assignment schedule has been created for you based on your school calendar. And this schedule informs you of each week's tasks and activities due. The assignment schedule will also list the learning environment for each assigned task. The last tip that I want to give to you is always start in Schoology. When you're working on course activities, you'll want to navigate to the classroom folder where you'll find all of the course unit folders. Within each unit folder are what are called topic folders that list all topic activities. Regardless of their learning environment, they'll be included there. The only caveat to this is the first 4 orientation tasks that are assigned, which are found in this Orientation Begin Here folder. Okay, let's take a quick look inside a topic folder to get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. So we're going to come in here to the classroom. Currently, we only have the Unit 0 folder and the Unit 1 folder open. Please note that I will open folders, units, and topic folders as they are assigned, okay? I open things maybe a week to 2 weeks early, but I don't open things any further out than that. So let's take a look in here real quick to the Unit 1, Topic 1, Why Programming, Why Java folder. Okay, so first thing, we're going to note that there's 3 elements in here. So let's talk about these elements. The first thing we have is the topic text, which includes links to our CodeHS textbook, which accompanies our CodeHS curriculum. And then we also have the CS Awesome textbook listed, which is an excellent supplemental text when you need more concept detail or programming practice. So then the next thing we have is the CodeHS tasks that are due for a given topic. So you'll also want to notice here that there are exercise notes linked. These notes provide additional information and guidance about each topic's programming exercises. So you'll want to make sure that you're reviewing the exercise notes as you work through the CodeHS programming exercises. And then finally, the last item in this folder is an AP Classroom quiz. This particular quiz only covers MCQ questions. These 3 elements are found in most topic folders. You may see additional activities in topic folders, things like AP Classroom progress checks, FRQ quizzes, etc. So, after the first couple of topics in Unit 1, you should begin to feel more comfortable in the learning environment. If you still feel unsettled, please reach out and we can walk through the course together. Speaking of reaching out, so at the end of last year, I added several reflection questions in the AP CSA course final exam. And one specific question that I asked students what advice they would give to new students to the course. Overwhelmingly, students said they would tell new students to reach out to their teacher, me, often and early. It's important to understand you're not expected to get all of the programming concepts presented immediately or on your own. I'm an informative resource here to help you as you develop your Java programming skills. I'm happy to provide feedback, clarification, guidance, etc. as you work through the activities in the course. So to facilitate student-teacher communication, I'm going to implement a couple of activities. The first activity is this AP CSA meet and greet. After watching this video, please reach out when you have 5 minutes to meet. Be sure you have a headset when reaching out so that you can hear the dulcet tones of my voice. In this meet and greet, we'll introduce ourselves and I'll answer any questions you have about getting started in the course. The second activity is the question of the week. Each week, I'll post one or more questions from the current topics being explored. You'll select a question from those presented and respond via Google Chat. A couple things to note about the AP CSA meet and greet and the question of the week activities. First, during live meetings, you select your level of connection. I'll chat and you can respond through text or audio with or without your camera. Choose whatever level of connection feels most comfortable. Note, on an occasion I may require audio chat, but this is only in the instance where we need to work through a programming activity and the use of text slows or impedes our discussion. Also, I may ask you briefly to turn on your mic during our meet and greet just so that I have the correct pronunciation of your name. Second, the question of the week will be graded on effort, not correctness. So if you know the answer to a question of the week and you respond with that answer, great. Conversely, if you don't fully understand a question of the week or you'd like clarification on a question of the week, that's also great. Your response to the question acts as a start to our concept clarification discussion. So that's all I have for the moment. Thanks for watching, and please reach out in the first 2 weeks of the course when you have 5 minutes free to chat. I look forward to meeting each of you virtually.